Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to take full page snapshot on Microsoft Edge. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To take full page snapshot on Microsoft Edge, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, then click on web capture. You will find three options here. Capture area, that means you can capture a selected area from here. I'm going to select this area and I can copy this image. Again, click on three dot icon and click on web capture. You will find another option, web select. You can click on web select and then click on selected area and click on copy here, and then you can paste it to your any application. I'm going to paste here. This is the web select. Now close Paint. Again click on three dot icon and click on web capture, and now the next option is capture full page. Click on capture full page. Look, full page is selected right now. Now click on save icon here and look, the full page snapshot is saved on downloads. I'm going to open it and now click on open. Look, the full page has been captured as JPG image. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.